City Newsbreak.
This is in relation to our dream of becoming a smart city. As we understand, they are private suppliers or private partners or private contractors who are proposing to the city government a system. With that note, the honorable members of the City Council, you are now free to ask clarificatory questions on that regard.
Isasalang sa pag-aaral ng Committee on Rules ng Sangguniang Panglungsod ang panukalang Memorandum of Agreement o kasunduan para sa pagdadag ng e-commerce digital centralization ang sistema ng pagbabayad sa lungsod ng Tabuk.
March 3, 2025, Sangguniang Panlungsod, Honorable Presiding Officer and members, ladies and gentlemen, respectfully transmitting the proposed Memorandum of Agreement to be entered into and between the City LGU represented by City Mayor Engineer Darwin Estraniero and Novolution represented by the Chief Executive Officer Mr. Michael Pascaran relative to the digitalization of local government management system through private entity software products and utilization of NBOS, NGAS, NovoPay, NovoCity, and Novolution Cloud Platform System. In line with this, may we seek authority from your good office for the undersigned to enter into such MOA. Mr. Chair, considering that this is a partnership or MOA, of course, we have to look into the MOA, the provisions, and we have to ask regarding the contents of the MOA, Mr. Chair.
Sa pakikipanayam sa mga miyembro ng Sangguniang Panglungsod, ipinakilala ng Presidente at Chief Executive Officer ng Novolutions Incorporated na si Mr. Michael Gabriel Pascaran ang Novolutions Incorporated at ang mga serbisyo nito na binubuo ng 5 module na nakadisenyo upang matulungan ang mga lokal na pamahalaan na maitatag ang digitalization sa kanilang mga transactions.
Novolutions Inc. was established almost 6 years ago, providing IT solutions here in the Philippines. Our mission and vision is to provide and serve the LGUs on the digitalization for systems sa LGU services for us to be able to provide a more streamlined process. We are offering to the City of Tabuk is a centralized and fully integrated systems.
Sinagot rin ni CEO Pascaran ang ilang katanungan at anya, maaari silang magdagdag ng program na naaayon sa pangailangan ng lungsod.
Ito po ba, it covers yung nasabi ni Vice Mayor Balao, all system ng Business One-Stop Shop?
Yes, sir. All system of Business One-Stop Shop. And hindi lang po yun. If you have additional services that you cater, we can create it and customize it for you. Kasi our developers, homegrown po natin tong system po. So hindi po natin binili from the US or China. So tayo po yung gumawa nito. So that's why we have the capability to create specifically all the customized and additional module.
Napag-alaman rin kay Pascaran na nagipag-ugnayan na sila sa Executive Department ng Pamahalang Lungsod kung saan kanilang iprinesenta ang mga benepisyo ng nasabing e-commerce digital centralization. Ang nasabing pagpupulong ay bahagi ng proseso sa public-private partnership upang makuha ang pag-endorso ng konseho at maibigay ang otoridad sa alkalde na pumirma nito sa isang kasunduan. At yan ang balita para sa oras na ito. Hatid sa inyo ng City Public Information Office. Ako po si Reddy Retotal.
Tabuk City Newsbreak.